Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix mic not working in CS2. To fix the issue, first go to the search bar from your taskbar. Then click on Apps and Features. Search for the Steam app, and once you find it, click on it. You will have the option of Uninstall right next to Modify. Click on it and uninstall the app. When you reinstall the app, the problem of mic will be fixed in CS2. Just to be sure, click to open the app once you have installed it. Open CS2 Game in it. Scroll down and click on the Play Game button. You will see the problem is solved. But if it's not solved, go to the taskbar and search for Sound. Here you need to test your microphone. Choose your input device and test your microphone to ensure that your system is working right. This is how you can fix mic not working in CS2. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.